Hello friends, hope you all are okay. My name is Rahul Mittal and today's video we will learn how to import CSV file into the database. Friends, in my previous video we learned how to create database in MySQL Workbench. So if you missed that video, then video link is into the description box and in a I button. You can directly go from there. So let's continue with the current topic. Friends, for creating CSV file, first of all, the thing is how can we create a CSV file? So for creating CSV file, first of all, we need to open our Excel file, provide your all input data as I given. Let's see, like this. In my is my CSV file, my is in a customer name, region, month, sales and years. You can create as per your requirements and go to the file, save as into the CSV format. Guys, please note down that CSV format should be comma delimited, not other CSV format, only this CSV format. If you save in this CSV format or like the DOS or other CSV format, then it will give you error while importing. So select this option only and save it. I will not save it because I already saved this CSV file. So this is my CSV file. So this is the first step we have covered. So I just complete it as done. Make it in a green color. Now the second step is to create workbench, create table in MySQL Workbench. So just open your database. I am using the same schema which I created for first video, so I am creating a table in a same schema. So if you want, you can create another schema, otherwise you can create table in a same schema also. So right click on table, create name and provide. I am giving demo sales and here I will give my column names. My first column name is customer name. My data type is var character. I'm giving 100. My second column name is region, region. It is var character 45. I'm giving the same as 100. My third column name is month. The same as 100. Fourth is my sales. My data type is int and the last one is year and my data type is int. So if you can see, then the same table name, column name I have given in the column name. See, customer name, region, month, sale and year, same as in my database. Check it from the starting, customer name, region, month, sales and year. So apply this, click OK, apply. It is created. Friend, it is necessary that when you import your CSV file, your all Excel file should be closed. So I am just saving it once again and closing my CSV file and refreshing the path. Same as I just created my demo sales and I'm refreshing that also. Now click on your table name, right click and click table data import wizard. It will this window will open and you will select your path. Just click on browse, select your CSV file, click on OK and then next. My table is already created, so I will not select create a new table. I am selecting the first option. and everything should be same. Click on next. Here you can check that all the column names should be visible here, like customer name, region, month, sales and year, and click on next. And your data is also here, so click on next. Click next. Then preparing import and file importing data is there. Now click next. Your all data is imported. Now how you can check? Just refresh it once again and click on this table. See, your data is into the table. Now what we will do, we will just run our necessary queries and find out our result. For example, I am doing my requirement is to find overall sales in 2019. So what will I do? I will do select sum of sales, SALES, sales from where? Schema name dot table name. So I will just copy paste here and run this. It will show me the overall sum of sales. You can also do for some changes. What I can do, let's find out total sale in west region. So what will you do? You can write select sum sales from where region, region, region equals to, in which region? West. For example, you want west, then you just write here west and run this. It will show you the sum of west. Similarly, if you want a sum of east region, you can directly write east, 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 and run this. 80,000. So 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 basically my motive is to tell you how you can import your CSV file into the database and execute your queries. So friends, if you feel this video is helpful for you or beneficial for you, then please like, share with your friends and subscribe my channel with click on notification icon for new videos. um, Thank you for your time.